The Dearborn Heights City Libraries present 5 to 10 crafting series with Eileen and Venus.
Hello, Eileen.
Hi, I'm Miss Venus.
Crafts are for elementary children, but all ages are welcome.
Each month we will be doing a craft video.
Crafts will be available for a limited time for pickup at Dearborn Heights City Libraries and, when possible,
as a download on our website.
Now, let's get crafting.
Welcome to 5 to 10 crafting. This month's craft is called Cupcake Liner Poppy Flowers in honor of Memorial Day poppies. I have the instructions here, and this packet can be picked up for a limited time at your Dearborn Heights Library. So let's get started. In this packet, I have 2 cupcake holders, one in red. The other one can be green, yellow, whatever. It's kind of a greenish yellow for the leaves. I also have in here a pipe cleaner. I just took the pipe cleaner, folded in half, kind of twisted up the top. So I have punched little holes in the bottom. You can take a little edgy or scissors or something, a pencil, and make the holes if you want. When you pick up your packets, those will be there. For this craft, you are going to need a pair of scissors, as well as what we have here.
Thank you, Miss Eileen. So I have squares of construction paper and a pipe cleaner.
It's a fairly simple craft. And what we're going to do is, in order to make the leaves on this, is cut out little triangles. So let's get started on that now. And what you're going to end up with is little points on that end. We'll just keep working our way around. Venus?
Thank you, Miss Eileen. So I have squares of construction paper and a pipe cleaner.
Still working my way around, getting those little edges. They don't have to be perfect. You take your time cutting these out. There's no rush. You don't have cupcake holders. You can use regular tissue paper or other stuff that you can find around your house.
So I folded my paper and now I'm cutting a rounded edge.
There we go. The top is going to be red. You can do it this way, or you can turn them inside out. Well, the nice bright red is on the inside. I kind of like it that way.
For the leaves, I am cutting a bit rounded. On both sides there. There we go.
We're now going to take this and slide it through first the green, then the red. And poppies come in all kinds of colors, so you can use other colors as well. Once you have that, in order keep the flower together, you're going to kind of bend, and I will show this, bend this over so that you have a nice center. That way it doesn't come off. And you have your poppy craft. And you can make several of these if you want in all different colors. Venus?
Now I'm putting the pipe cleaner through the center. Crunch it up a little bit. And there's my completed poppy. Back to you, Miss Eileen.
I hope you had fun doing this. Don't forget to pick up your craft at our John F. Kennedy or our Caroline Kennedy Library. And if you don't get up there, you can always find materials around your house to do a craft like this. Have fun.
Enjoyed what you saw here? Subscribe to the Dearborn Heights Library channel on YouTube and be notified when there's a new episode.
Did you know that with your Dearborn Heights Library card, you can borrow ebooks, e-audiobooks, stream thousands of hours of music, and even movies? You can download apps for your devices or visit our website on a computer.
Last blurb, we promise. Stay connected with us at dhcl.mishlibrary.org and on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter.
Thanks for tuning in.